Dude, it's not big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They even have the little stairwell arc out there.
Oh yeah, wow.
And then I think, yeah, 6. There might be a 7th actually on the other side. Yeah, it's that far end.
Yeah. Oh, he's putting it out!
No! Get it! Oh.
Nice, that's sick.
Wow, I mean, it's sick as long as it doesn't burst into flames in front of us. But wow, good year for you come. We've got some action.
That's gotta be crazy being on board right now, dude.
Hell yeah. Fuck, dude.
Wow.
I would not be surprised if that engine was smoking as they were coming back.
Yeah.
Everything's just gotta be good.
This complex is shut down more or less, yeah.
That's crazy, dude.
Right. Yeah, that's gnarly.
Are they evacuating?
I don't see. I mean, the front door would be on the far side, right?
Yeah, it's still closed.
Yeah. It looks like the little, the ladder truck was moved.
Yeah,
right?
the stairs are right up against it.
Yeah. Oh, that steam coming off.
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy.
Oh no, they're getting the door.
How good, dude. Imagine deplating on Alpha 7.
Oh, they just popped the slides. They're evacuating. Oh my gosh! What? That's nuts.
Oh,
Come over, come back out, y'all. This
here they
is
come.
crazy.
Yeah.
Whoa, dude.
Yeah, me neither, dude. That's nuts.
I'm sending this in the news stations. I got the whole thing.
Dude, that's crazy. Wow, this phone is kick ass. Dude, I'm like 40 times zoomed in right now. I can read this guy's shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, they're still coming too.
Yeah. Wow.
That's wild.
And the person all the way out in front is still running. Dude, you're good. You got space.
Yeah, that engine's still going, dude. I can
Yeah,
see
it's
the
still on
smoke
fire.
Okay, where are they taking them to?
Going all the way towards South Pad, it looks like.
West Imperial Terminal, probably. Well, that's a cool walk, dude. I mean, you know.
Walk right past the big A380 too.
Yeah. See some sides. You get burst into flames. Good deal.
Your bags will be safe eventually. Like,
Oh, dude, I didn't even think about
yeah.
that.
How many people do you think grabbed their carry-on?
I've not seen anyone with bags. Oh, that's so funny. There are people, yeah, so you can either slide or go down
The fire
the
stairs?
fire stairs. The people in the back of the plane got a good deal.